Okay, my name is Tina Okoye from Nigeria, and I'm the MD of ArmorThane West Africa. So, how did I get to know about ArmorThane? I knew about ArmorThane from the web. I was searching for a product that meets what I wanted. I wanted a polyurethane product, a company that had good qualities, and I came across ArmorThane on the line and went through their technical data sheets. And because of the things I saw in the data sheet, I knew that was the product that I wanted. So that drew me to them. And I began to discuss with them in 2009. And that's how we started. Okay, the biggest challenges we had setting up that company in 2009, there wasn't so many companies doing that particular product. So the biggest challenge I would say was making people believe in the product, having to tell them that this is a product that will work for our terrain. I know most of the time they will ask me, "Oh, we know it's from US, is a good product, but where have you used it in Nigeria?" So that was a challenge. And we gave our customers then, we usually give them 5 years warranty. And we say, "Oh, we're giving you a warranty for 5 years," meaning that any job we do for you in the next 5 years, if anything happens, call us back. So that gave them the little trust in the product. And we started that way. We had people thinking, "Oh, are you sure you're going to be here in the next 5 years? Are you giving us a warranty? And in the next 2 years, we won't see you." And one thing that helped us too was having to tell them that ArmorThane USA has been there for over 15 years. So it's a good product, and you can go online, have a look at the product, and even ask them questions directly. So that will create trust. And I think that helped us. It helped us a lot. Okay, our business has evolved greatly, and I'm grateful to God. We have been there for 15 years, and I'm proud of what we do and the jobs we've done. We've been able to operate very well in Nigeria, and we have a branch too in Ghana, and we evolved so greatly, and the product is doing well. The trust we have in the clients and the clients' trust in our product, it has done so well, and we are proud of the product. We're proud of what we have done so far in Africa. We are. Okay, for us, the major industry we have worked for is in the construction industry. We have a lot of construction in Nigeria and in Accra. So what our job mostly has been in the built industry, where we have roof decks, roof gutters, parapet walls. That has been our major application area in Nigeria. Okay, how do we source for the material? We source it from here. Definitely, most of the material, every of the material comes from here. So once we get it imported into the country, we usually don't source a lot from Nigeria. The only thing we get maybe preparatory items like the thinners we use to clean the guns and things. But once we get it imported into the country, moving around, it's not a problem in Nigeria. We can take our product to anywhere in Nigeria and do our job successfully and live. Operating from Lagos or from Abuja, just around Nigeria, we've been able to go to the east, to the north, to the south. We've done so many in the past 15 years, I must tell you. Okay, what was my training experience like when I first joined ArmorThane? We had one of the technical person come in for 1 week. I think it was Chris, yeah. He came in for 1 week. He came into Lagos, and when we started, I had just two technicians, but everybody was a technician. I got trained to um, the guy that manages the Abuja office, Ndubisi, he got trained too. So it was 1 week of intense training. And I remember the first job we did was at the back of a pickup. So he sprayed the back of the pickup. did so well, taught us a lot, did some samples on the floor, and that was it for 1 week. We we got trained for 1 week, but then after that, we could always call if we had any issues. We were calling, and they were putting us through, and we're good. Okay, how has ArmorThane program changed through the years? I think we have done so well. ArmorThane USA is doing greatly, like the adverts and the marketing online on Facebook, Twitter. I think it's beautiful because it gives awareness and makes a lot of people understand that ArmorThane is evolving every day. It's not static. We have new products, we are having new equipment, and so that's great. It's great. It's really great to see the constant activity online, and I think Amoten US is doing well on that, and they should keep it up because it's helping us. It helps us a lot when we get some of those materials and we share it. It makes our clients and potential clients know more about the product, and it's good. I think they should do more of that. Yes, for us, the the low pressure equipment has proved to be more reliable for us in the West African climate. So, and we've been on it. That's the equipment we've been using for the past 18 years, 15 years, sorry, and that's our best equipment. So I think for that, that's the one that's it's on for us for now. Okay, are there products that perform well for us? Yes, I think our products, our number one should be the STS 200. So that is our largest product. That's the one that has performed so well with our humidity and our climate in West Africa. So STS 200 would be that for us. Okay, what does protective coating look like in Nigeria and neighboring country? I think there's a great awareness of the product. Protective coating is more acceptable now than when we started it 15 years ago. So I think a lot of people in the construction industry and even in the those that are into vehicles repairs and maintenance, I think majorly they are aware of the coatings now, and it's more acceptable right now in the market. So I think it has great potentials and is acceptable. Okay, how aware are the local contractors aware of the polyurea technology? I would say they are very aware of it, and they are beginning to accept the fact that it's the new thing that is replacing some old products in the past that has failed. So I think people are embracing the fact that polyurethane and polyurea is the next thing in the industry. Am I seeing growth? Yes, I'm seeing a lot of growth in the construction industry, water containment, you know, even in the oil and gas sectors, because we've done a lot of jobs too in that section. We've done some pipe coatings, we've done some coatings for tanks and secondary containment and primary containment. So I'm seeing a lot of growth in that industry. Yes, I am. Okay, what do I see as holding up the adoption of polyurea in West Africa? I would say majorly costs, because the technology is beautiful, it's working, everybody knows that. So I think even in the past 15 years of doing this, the only thing we know that makes clients don't use the product is cost, because most time they tend to compare it with some other things. But apart from the cost, nothing else is a big challenge for the product. Okay, what has kept me glued to Armothane for the past 15 years? Um, Everything. The product is good. It keeps evolving. It keeps getting better. And the personnel, the team, the technical team 24 hours. Okay, I'm coming from Africa. Our time difference is so different, but there has never been a time where I send a message or place a call and I don't get somebody coming up to us, especially when we started. Or when we started, I could call at any time, not even knowing what the local time would be. But trust me, somebody was always there to pick up my call, to send us something. And if we needed anything, they could ship it out in the next. Oh, it's been beautiful, really. I like the teamwork. I like the support that we've received for the past 15 years and counting. That has kept me with ArmorThane, and that is still keeping me with ArmorThane. Okay, how do customers in my area respond when they learned our coatings were from the USA? That was one of our marketing tools. Yes, because I remember starting, we will say, oh, if they ask, how durable is this product? Where is it from? Every client will want to ask. And you say, oh, it's from USA. That gives them, from where I come from, they believe it must be good. That means this product has to be good. If it's coming from the USA, it has to have a good standard. So for us, that was one of our marketing tools starting 15 years back. So it was good. The client received that very well. What opportunities do I see for polyurea in Africa in the next decade? Great opportunities. Great. I'm seeing greater opportunities than what we've done in the past 15 years. And that is what is driving us, because we're doing something that we see that clients are getting to embrace it more. Clients are getting to know that they can use it in different places. And with the knowledge and awareness we are creating, I'm excited and looking forward to the next decade. Yes, so are we currently training new applicators in our region? Yes, most times we have technicians coming and we keep training. Every time you have to go over your products, your equipment, and for ArmorThane, every job has its own unique challenge and experience. So for us, the training doesn't stop, and it's every day. You do a job, you have one experience, you come back to your workshop and you go back. Okay, why did we have this experience? What can we do next? So for us, the training is continuous, it doesn't ever stop. And we're getting more product and getting more equipment in the market, we keep training. So it doesn't ever stop. So it's an ongoing thing for us in ArmorThane. Okay, what would I like to see ArmorThane do more to support global applicators? I will say keep advertising, keep putting the product in a very competitive state. Create awareness, more awareness. Just keep doing what you're doing online, a lot of exhibitions. Just create that awareness so people will know about ArmorThane, and then it will help us in the global world, because once it's very known out there, then I think when we mention it from where we're coming from, people will go, oh, I've heard of that product. Or when they Google it, they could just see a lot of things, and that will help us. I think ArmorThane should do a lot of marketing and promotions. Keep doing it. Keep working on the web. Just put the information out there for people to get it easily in every handle. That will help us. Sure. Do I have plans to expand my business into new territories? Yes, sure. In Africa, currently we're looking at, we're already in Nigeria and Ghana, but we're looking forward to moving to East Africa, Kenya, Nairobi. So that's the next place we're working on. And by next year, we should be moving into East Africa. So yes, sure. We have plans of moving into other African region for us. Okay, so I'm glad I could visit again this year. And for me, anytime I come into Springfield, it's like coming back home. coming back to the headquarters of ArmorThane. It gives me this reconnection back. It's like more like a spiritual connection back to where it started. So I'm glad I could come and visited and watched the little sample, the demo that was done the other day. It's a lot, and I look forward to coming back more. Thank you.